On this Duncan Fife drop leaf table, the legs connect to this base block with some dovetail joints. And here you can see I've created on this leg, I've created that dovetail joint on the leg, and that matches the dovetail socket on the base block. So the question is how to make this joint on this leg. I have 4 of these to do. I've done 2. This will be the 3rd one. And what I've done so far here is I've marked out with a marking gauge. You can see these lines here, cut marks, and then I've taken a little chip out of this side. I need to take that chip out of the other side. Also, you can see my pencil showing the taper on that dovetail joint. So let me just show you. I've got to make a socket, so to speak, here for my handsaw. So I'll handsaw this cut at an angle here, but I want to make a little socket here that the saw will ride in. So I've got that cut mark. I need to just take a little chip out of that. Back to that marking gauge. Now, that first cut in there, that first removal isn't enough to give me a shoulder for the saw. So what I do, I'm going to tighten this vise a little bit, is just come down in that here to create a bigger shoulder for the saw. Now let me take out a little deeper piece here. Okay, I think that's enough of a shoulder here for the saw. And one thing I didn't mention is that the width of this dovetail needs to be 1 inch. That's going to be good enough. The back end of that dovetail is 3/4. So 3/4 by 1. So now I'm ready to do the hand sawing. I'll set up for that and make another video.